Avalanche, guys, currently trading about $30 with a market cap of $8 billion. Currently ranked number 13 on the list. Ticker AVAX. Now, where can you guys get this from? You guys get this as Binance, Coinbase Exchange, FTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, QB Global, let's see, Bybit, Kraken, Bitfinex. Let's see. Pretty much almost every platform out there. It is in the top 100, and top 100 cryptocurrencies usually on all platforms. Let's see, guys. The rating for it currently on Symmetry as of October 22nd, 2021 is a B, and it got a triple B with a positive outlook. This is currently ranked top 96% of cryptocurrencies that they currently rated, which is absolutely amazing. Check out the website, guys. This is avax.network. So if you want to learn more about this cryptocurrency, how fast it is, how low cost it is, just check out their website, learn more about it, read their white paper, read about the contracts that they do, so you can understand more. I just want to dive into a cryptocurrency just because of its market cap or where it's placed in on the ranking. Also, check out their Twitter page, 691,000 followers. Now, I would say this is probably one of the best sources to find their most updated news. But besides that, guys, let's get to that price prediction.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
Alright, so guys, this is pretty easy price prediction. AVAX has been basically taking a nosedive like many cryptocurrencies today. And I think the target price that it will be hitting is going to be this major support. Now, can it turn around earlier? Yeah, it's possible, but I think with its current projection and how much, basically a sell-off, it's been taking a nosedive like many other cryptocurrencies that are happening. But I think AVAX is going to be hitting this $12 range, $13 range. Now, if it hits that range, guys, then I'm going to make an updated price prediction. But currently, I'm not going to be shorting this cryptocurrency. I'm not going to be in this cryptocurrency. I'm going to be sitting on my hands and waiting. And if this cryptocurrency hits $12 to $13, but price prediction say, just make it easy, the price prediction will be $12. If it hits that zone, then I'm not going to enter immediately. It might break this support zone and head down even lower. So I'm going to wait it out first. If it hits 12, make an updated video saying what I'm going to do. If it builds up some orders and start, basically building more structure to head up to a higher high, then that's what I'm going to be possibly getting into back again. But for now, guys, I'm not going to be into this cryptocurrency. I'm going to be patient and wait it out. But I think the price is going to be hitting $12. But tell me what you guys' thoughts in the comments below about what do you guys think of this cryptocurrency. Are you shorting this crypto right now? If so, you're doing really, really good. Like, you're doing amazing if you're shorting it. If you're waiting for that long position like others, including myself, then yeah, we're going to be sitting on our hands. I would not jump in early. That's for me, guys. I would not jump in early. But let's get to my website, guys. So if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, trading, EAs, and also about some economy and statistics, go to my website, Andre J. McClendon, learn more about it. Well, guys, drop a comment below. Let's have this discussion about AVAX and other cryptocurrencies. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.